So my name is Rhys Pepper and I am a primary care apprentice. I sat my first year of A-levels and I knew that I didn't want to go to university. A decision that I'd made. I started looking for all sorts of apprenticeships in different areas, but what caught my eye was working in primary care. It was something that I feel like I'm passionate about, and yeah, I'm very glad that I've done this way. I finished my A-levels early, so I did my AS. I didn't do my full A-levels, but yeah, I'm very glad that I've gone down this route. So far in my apprentice journey, I spent 4 months at Westquay Medical Centre, which is a GP practice in Barry. I absolutely loved my time there. Everyone was really supportive and helped me really push forward. I'm now here with the primary care team, and I've loved the whole process. Everything about the apprenticeship, the scheme has been thought and planned out brilliantly, and it's really, I can tell as I've enjoyed it so much so far. The people that I've worked with have really helped me, as I gotta be honest, after coming from school I was a bit nervous about coming into this role, but since doing it I feel like I've had full backing from everyone. If I ever make a mistake, I'll always be given feedback. I have weekly catch-ups with my line manager, and yeah, I'm always being able to direct me in the right direction. So there are loads of qualifications you can work towards as an apprentice. Myself personally, I am working towards a level 2 business admin qualification, but there are loads of different avenues you can go down, and as you go along you will be able to pick these up, which are very important when applying for future jobs. So my favourite thing about being an apprentice is that I'm treated like an adult. I feel like since leaving school I've really been able to push forward with the help of everyone working around me, and I just love the freedom that I feel like I've been given. So I would massively recommend for anyone unsure about what to do to go down the apprentice route. It's a fantastic way to start your working career. You pick up great life skills, and it's an opportunity you can't really miss if you're not really sure, and you're going to university almost for the sake of it, not really sure of what you want to do in the future. I think it's a great way for you to get your feet firmly on the ground.